They get overfed if they have the food for them. Come here. Like and subscribe, buddy. I'm looking for my son.
Right back here.
Nemo. Oh my god.